Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Banking Application Capstone presentation. Hello and welcome to the Bad Bank app. This is my presentation here. This is the landing page. I've got the home page, create account and log in on the navbar. Create an account. Success for the creating account, log in. And this is the dashboard, and we got to see the account number, and right now we have zero balance. Deposit, and another deposit, update, and withdraw. And the transactions for the account, and right here we have updated balance, and this is the name shows up on the right, and this is all the transactions that comes from the database, and I can log out. In my database, I'm using Mongo, and right here I've got Peter Parker and his transactions right here. Now I have other users who use the website already, so I'm going to log in with, and right here we go back to the transactions. Those are already saved in the database. This is the amount, and Mongo is right here for banana pudding. This is right here, so everything works fine. Okay, so I did a little update on the app beside the one that I presented to you, and if we log in, we go straight to the dashboard. Also, one extra other extra features that I have is a directory, and it is based on permissions. All users can access the dashboard, the deposit, and the withdraw. Now there's a permission based on roles, and they have management and admin, and they can access the all user data in the database here. They would be able to use it and see what's going on. Now on my database, this is like a different database than the previous one that I used. This is for the one that I showed you. This is an extra one. This is this is for my project that I'm doing here. This is a role-based permission, and it's set up in a database. So if I also log out, okay, crazy goes in, crazy woman is in, and she cannot access this. She's not authorized. Okay, so the app is deployed on Heroku. This is the app running fine. These are the logs from Heroku when it's running fine. These here are the logs that are when the app was crashing and something was going wrong. I went through many builds when I was updating the client folder. That took a long time to do, and the upgraded app that I was working on, it crashed, and I couldn't upload it or work on it. This is the functioning app that I submitted as my project here. I managed to get help for this project from friends on Slack. This is our discussions, and sharing topics about what we were working on, and my friends on Telegram. We were talking about codes and sharing code and discussing the issues that I was having, and what I need to do to fix them. A lot of the topics that I was looking for were regarding Heroku and Express Server, or whatever I can find errors in the logs so I can fix it. There's more Heroku issues, Axios, cores issues, transferring the localhost 4000 to a Heroku site, basic deployment of Heroku. While I was studying about the cookies and bear tokens and JWT, this is something that I was working on. Reading a lot about HTTP and the codes. I had to see so many different errors when I was doing the transactions and authorization, 200, 401, 403, 500, and trying to figure out which part of the app that was connected to that code. And I learned a lot. My friends helped me out a lot, and Medium was a very good source, and the software that I'm using also helped me a lot. The Coca helped me in debugging. And that's how I managed to get through this. If I were to do the project again, I would definitely start with the backend before the front end, and I would deploy early. I will start testing early. I think deployment early and start testing early is gonna show me what the environment really is going online and what's happening when it's deployed and how fast it is running. What might I run into further down the road? But early deployment and testing the app online as early as possible. That's what I would be doing. This is the bad bank, and it's a lot more secure now. Thank you.